Welcome to City Animal. You're about to dive into a world where science and mystery intertwine, where tiny silent witnesses, insects, hold secrets that can unravel crimes. Picture a decomposing body, a death scene, and the creatures that unknowingly become the key to solving what the human eye cannot see. On this channel, we'll explore the unsettling, the fascinating, and what few dare to discuss. If you love mystery, forensic science, and details that challenge the ordinary, then you can't miss what's coming. Every video is designed to spark your curiosity and leave you wanting more. So if you want to be part of this community, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss new content. And if this video impacts you as we hope it will, give it a like and share it, because knowledge is most powerful when shared. Ready to begin? Get comfortable, because what's coming will change how you see the world. Let's go. Decomposing bodies create a temporary habitat for a wide variety of organisms, from arthropods to scavenging vertebrates. Since each location has its own unique fauna, this proves extremely useful for forensic investigators, particularly in homicide cases where forensic entomologists study cadaveric succession. Cadaveric succession refers to the sequence of species that colonize a dead body. This process is crucial for forensic entomology, as it helps determine the time of death, the season when it occurred, whether the body was moved, and provides valuable information for other forensic disciplines. To do this, experts analyze the insect species feeding on the corpse, their developmental stage, and population numbers. While arthropods rarely reveal the cause of death, they can provide precise data about the location and time of death. For research purposes, they're classified into distinct groups. Necrophagous species feed exclusively on the corpse, including certain flies and burying beetles. Predators and parasites, on the other hand, invade other insects, affecting their larvae and pupae. There are also omnivores that consume both corpse-associated arthropods and organic matter, like ants and wasps. Finally, accidental species use the body as shelter but not as food, such as spiders, centipedes, and mites. To estimate the post-mortem interval, two main factors are considered: the age and development of larvae, along with the succession of insects during decomposition. This is done by evaluating specimen quantities and how they change over time. These processes vary depending on weather conditions, helping forensic experts determine when and where a crime occurred, all thanks to insects, though we hope you never need them in a real case. And that brings us to the end of this mind-blowing journey. What surprised you most about these incredible creatures and their role in forensic science? Was it their ability to uncover hidden secrets, or their fascinating life cycle amid decomposition? Tell us in the comments. We want to know which part blew your mind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with friends who also love mystery and science. And if you haven't already, subscribe to City Animal and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Want to take your support further? Become a channel member. For just a few bucks, you'll get early access to videos before they go public, and you'll help us keep creating top-notch content for you. Thanks for being part of this community. We'll see you in the next video, where we'll keep uncovering nature's most fascinating secrets. Until then, stay curious.